everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to describe the solution to the problem from LeetCode number 3187, called peaks in array. This is a hard-level problem that involves understanding the concept of peaks in an array and how to efficiently process queries related to these peaks. In this problem, a peak is an array is defined as an element that is greater than its previous and the next element. We are given an integer array nums and a DVD integer array queries. We have to process two types of queries. Determine the count of peaks elements in a subarray of nums. Second, change a specific element in nums to a new value. The goal is to return an array containing the result of the query of the first type of order. Here we have some examples and constraints. Let's dive into code. First of all, we will create a helper function to check if an element at index I in nums is a peak. A peak is an element that is greater than its previous and next element. Const is peak will be equal I number, which return boolean. I will be more than 0 equal I and less than nums length minus 1 and nums I be more than nums I minus 1 and nums I more than nums I plus 1. Now we will interpolate an empty array to store the indicators of peaks of element in nums. Const peaks will be number array empty number. After it, we will loop through the nums array from the second element to the second last element. If an element is a peak, its index is added to the peak of the array. For let I equal 1, I less nums length minus 1, I to infinity, and if statement is peak of I, then peaks push I. Then we sort the peaks array in ascending order. Peaks sort A B equals A minus B. Now we will need another helper function to perform binary search on a sorted array to find the leftmost position of a value x. We will make const bisectLeft equal r number array x number and equal array length, then we use while loop, while low less than high, then we use const mid, assign it to low plus I, c1, and if array mid less x, low equal mid plus 1, else I equal mid, and we return low. The next steps is another helper function to perform binary search on the array to find the rightmost position of a value x. Const bisectRight will be equal r number array x number, and we return number. Let low equal 0, h equal array length, while low less h, I, const mid, assign it to low plus I equal 1, if array mid less equal x, low equal mid plus 1, else will be equal mid, h equal mid. And we return to low. Now we will initialize an empty array to store the result of the queries of the first type. Const result res equal number empty on array. Now we will process each query in queries. If the query is of the first type, we calculate the number of x in the specified subarray. If the query is of the second type, we will update the nums array and the pix array accordingly. We will start for loop const queue of queries if q 0, first element of array, equal 1. Then we will use const re equal k destruction, then const j1 will be bisectRight pixly, then const j2 will be equal bisectLeft pixre minus 1. Result will be push math max j2 minus j1 plus 1 comma 0. Else we will use const I lowercase w destruction of q const was peak equal is peak I minus 1 is peak I is peak I plus 1. After nums I will be equal v, and another for loop for let p equal minus 1, p will be less equal 1, p to infinity, and const adx equal I plus p, and const now peak will be equal is peak adx const peak index will equal bisect left peaks adx. Then we use if statement if now peak and not was peaked p plus 1 peaks will be twice peak index 0 index, else if not now peak and was peak p plus 1 and peak index less peaks length and peaks peak index equal edx, you will return peaks splice peak index 1. After it, we will return results, which contains the result of the queries of the first type. Let's run the code for typos and any mistakes. Forgot to add another. Okay. Ah, another type. Length. And the last try accepted. Let's try submit it. And great, it works. Thank you for your attention. If you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. Goodbye.